Analyzing the competition is a vital component of any SEO strategy. Whether you are just gauging your possibilities of dominating a new niche or are currently working hard to climb the ranking ladder, you must be aware of your competitors. Understanding their strengths and limitations can help you make the appropriate judgments, and by monitoring your competitors' activity, you will get an advantage in the race for SERP dominance. SE Ranking provides all the required tools to help you identify your competitors, discover their most effective SEO strategies, and always know where they are headed. Learn who you need to outrank. Suppose you're just researching the niche to determine if you want to start your project and join the competition, or if you assist others to obtain search exposure and need to research the market before developing a plan for a new customer. You presumably already know who your biggest competitors are, but if you do not, you can simply determine this by analyzing SERPs. Simply consider a seed keyword that best matches your topic, enter it into SE Ranking's keyword research tool, and you'll see which websites rank for the search term in the chosen region. While surfing between terms relating to your niche, you will be able to readily identify the market's significant players. You will immediately notice keyword search volume and whether or not it fluctuates seasonally. In addition, the keyword difficulty score will inform you of the amount of work required to begin ranking for these phrases. If you already know the website URL or domain name of one of your top competitors, the competitive research tool from SE Ranking will be useful. Here you will get a full list of your organic and paid search competitors categorized by the number of keywords they share with the website being studied. On a graph, you may compare your website to any of the listed competitors in terms of the number of keywords for which it ranks, its overall website traffic, and its cost. Examine the inner workings of your competitors. Once you have a list of your competitors, you can begin a more in-depth analysis of them to identify their strengths and adopt their best practices. The competitive research tool from SE Ranking will give you all pertinent information. Discover their traffic sources. Determine whether your competitors rely primarily on organic search or paid ads to drive traffic. The amount of traffic the website receives from organic and paid searches, the number of keywords it ranks for and targets in its PPC ads, and the anticipated cost of the website's traffic will be displayed immediately. You can examine the dynamics of each measure in the charts to determine if your competitor is growing. Borrow the top keywords and topics of your competitors. You will also discover the specific terms that generate traffic to the competitor's website if you delve deeper. In the Organic Keywords report, you will find the search volume and difficulty of each keyword, as well as how well your competitor ranks for the phrase and how much of the website's traffic each keyword contributes. Consider borrowing low-competition search phrases that generate substantial traffic if you find them. By comparing your website to that of two close competitors, you may quickly identify keywords that could help your site. This is possible with the use of the competitor comparison tool, which identifies which keywords the compared websites share. On the Missing Keywords page, you will see search queries for which your competitors rank but you do not. Then, you may assess which pages drive the most traffic to your competitors' websites. If you do not currently cover the topics on your website, it might be wise to develop the respective sections. Lastly, if your competition is focusing on sponsored search, you may also examine the specific terms they target and their most successful advertising. Evaluate the quality of their backlinks. When conducting SEO competitor analysis, it is vital to examine the backlinks of your competitors. The previously mentioned competitive research tool displays any website's domain trust, page trust, and quantity of referring domains and backlinks quickly. Domain trust and page trust are quality scores determined by SE Ranking based on the quantity and quality of a website's referring domains and backlinks. To examine the backlink profile of your rival in greater depth, click the number of referring domains and then click the Get Full Report button. You will then be taken to the Backlink Checker tool, where you may analyze your competitor's backlink profile from every angle. Referring domains and backlinks dynamics. Each referring domains and backlinks DT, PT, and Alexa rank. DA-follow and NA-follow ratio. Anchor text distribution, and much more. This information will assist you in refining your link building approach. Keep an eye on your primary competitors. Using the competitive research tool, You may identify websites that rank for the same keywords as your website. However, these will not necessarily be the terms you seek. Create a project using SE ranking and enter the keywords you wish to rank for to determine your competition for the phrases you wish to rank for. In the My Competitors area, you'll uncover websites that rank for the keywords you've included in your project. To view a comprehensive list of such websites, visit the Visibility section. All of your competitors are ranked according to their visibility. Websites that rank highly for popular keywords get a higher visibility score. In addition, you can view the Alexa rank and number of backlinks and referring domains for each website. You can label each competitor with a specific tag such as major rivals, local competitors, blog competitors, etc. to immediately comprehend how the data you see impacts your website. On the graphs located above the table, you can compare the websites listed. If you notice that your competitor's exposure is increasing and it now ranks for more keywords in the top 10, you should increase your SEO efforts. To view your competitors for specific terms, navigate to the SERP Competitors area. Here you can select a term of interest and view the top 100 websites that rank for it. Tags can also assist you to identify the types of websites that made it to the top, such as your key competitors, local competitors, news websites, etc. Analyze the evolution of the SERP landscape over time. If you see a competitor who has made considerable progress, make a mental note to investigate it in greater depth. You may be willing to adopt some of your competition's effective techniques. Finally, you can add 5 of your top competitors to the project at no additional cost to track their rankings alongside your own. Do not overlook changes that matter. Wouldn't it be nice to receive an alert if a competitor does something that could alter the game's equilibrium? Such example when they update a landing page that you've finally surpassed in rankings, release a new product, or modify their pricing. Page changes monitoring from SE ranking can assist you with this. You only need to select the pages you wish to monitor. If the tool detects any changes, you will receive an email notification. You have the option of monitoring page title and description, keywords, headers, content, links, robots.txt file, HTTP code, the state of the search engine index, or all parameters. Note that to utilize the page changes monitoring function, you must add your competitor's website as a project to your account. However, as all SE ranking pricing levels accept the basic 1 permit unlimited projects, this will not be an issue. In addition to competitor analysis, SE ranking can assist you with a variety of SEO chores, including keyword rank tracking, backlink monitoring, website audits, and automatic report generation. Thanks for watching.